So here is a Lenz. It's terribly cloudy. I wanted to take before and after pictures. I decided to just pull out these 4 slats, pull the whole headlight out, and then we'll just go around here to my workshop. Yeah, here's the kit, sandpaper, yada yada, and finished product there, letting it dry. We'll do a side-by-side here in just a moment. So here is the Lenz. I just took it out of the car, and just a moment I'll put the other one on. As you can see, this is pretty bad. It does have some obviously a leak because there's water condensation on the inside, which is most likely can't do anything about it. So hold on. Well, as you can see, there is a big difference. So this stuff actually works. I'm sure the more you do, the easier it'll get. What I just did, the one I am getting ready to do. Now here's the finished product on both of them. I'll take another little snapshot or whatever you want to call this after I reinstall them in a couple hours. Take about 2 hours to dry. So not bad. The one on the top was the last one I showed you. Before, I think this car needs some headlights. And here we go. I think that stuff works. I'll vouch for it. Brown stuff is some of Eli's fixing. Some glue. Not bad. Now, a wild animal in my truck. Oh no. What's Fraser doing? Come on. Stand on the dell. Want to go for a walk? Let's walk up to the park.